This video guide explores how to find different types of help available for Access Diplomat. Access Diplomat provides several types of help, each designed for a different purpose. From within the scheduler, one of the most direct ways to access help is using the documentation option on the toolbar. This opens the online help area, where all user guides, video guides, feature help, and related information are available in one place. If you are prompted to log in and are not sure how to do this, see the My Account playlist in our video user guides. This explains how to log in for the first time, reset your password, or, if you're a supervisor, how to create access for another user. The online documentation area is split into types. User guides explain how to complete a specific process or workflow. They usually bring together multiple functions and show how they work together to achieve an outcome. User guides are most useful when learning how to carry out a task from start to finish, or when understanding how a module is used in day-to-day work. Application support notes explain how Access Diplomat interacts with its environment. This can include operating systems, hardware, third-party software, or configuration considerations. They're typically used to support setup, troubleshooting, or understanding system behaviour rather than explaining how to perform a task. Function help explains how a single function works. It focuses on the fields, options, and actions available on that screen, describing what each one does and how it affects what you're working on. This type of help is designed to answer specific questions about using a function rather than explaining a full end-to-end process. Feature help explains how specific features behave within Access Diplomat. Features can be added to a system and are often combined to support different working practices, sometimes referred to as a module. Feature help is useful when you want to understand what a feature does, when it should be used, or how it influences the behaviour elsewhere in the system. Glossaries provide explanations of terminology used within Access Diplomat. Some terms have specific meanings within the system, or are used across multiple areas. Glossaries help ensure shared understanding, particularly for new users or when working across multiple modules. Recent software developments highlight new or improved functionality as the software evolves. While other help content is updated over time, this draws attention to changes users may not have actively looked for. It often references real-world scenarios and helps users spot opportunities to work more efficiently. Video user guides provide a visual step-by-step demonstration of how to use Access Diplomat. They're designed to complement written help by showing real examples on screen, including navigation, menu choices, expected outcomes, etc. Video user guides are particularly useful when learning a new area of the system, understanding how different steps fit together, or when it's easier to follow along than read instructions. Help is also directly available from within the menu structure. As you navigate through the menu tree, many areas include links to relevant help content. These links are designed to take you straight to the information that relates to the area of the system you are currently using. To access, either use the question mark icon from your general toolbar to click on the function, or simply highlight the function and press F1, the universal help key. This means if you are unsure what a menu option does or how a screen behaves, you can access guidance prior to opening the function without the need to search manually through the help system. Many functions include on-screen tips or prompts. These are short pieces of guidance that appear whilst you're working and are intended to clarify behaviour or explain what the system is expecting at that point. Should you wish to turn tooltips on or off, the toggle is found under the File menu. Enable Prompt F1 Help Tooltips. If you toggle these off, you may still want to access the help, which can be done by highlighting the field and pressing the F1 help key. For more details, take a look at our online help resource or use your pastime units to book a remote training session with one of our consultants. We look forward to seeing you.